Hi, friends. It's Leaha Mattinson here. If you follow me for Master Your Life, first of all, let me say a huge thank you for being with me on this journey for many years now. For many years, Master Your Life was a space of insight, intelligence, inspiration, great conversations, coaching about overcoming adversity and living life fully. However, over time, I felt a strong pull to go deeper into practices that really bring healing to the body, mind, and spirit. That's why I created Vital Reset. It's about mastering your life, but through simple, powerful, natural Qi Gong movements, coaching, and community designed for women. It's hope friendly, gentle, and truly transformational. So if you love to master your life, you're going to feel right at home here. Nothing has been lost. This is simply the next step, a fresh chapter, and an even deeper way to help you live with energy, joy, and wholeness. Thank you for staying with me. I can't wait to share this new journey with you. Join me today on vitalreset.ca. That's vitalreset.ca.